Target 113 of 36. And I think this game is in the balance. As I say, a very good morning to Dominic Cook.
Good morning, Parviz. Good morning, everybody who's watching, wherever you're watching around the world. This is cricket at its finest, its quickest, its best. As a bowler, it's all about trying to stop the opposition scoring runs and trying to bowl the actual length. Hat-trick, you don't see that very often in Hong Kong sixes. For 4 for 27 off 2 overs. Good performance. Good to see that a bowler is just making that bit of a difference.